Okay, it is December 14th, 2017, and I just exited a long trade on the euro dollar. It was a 10 to 14 risk reward, and it was a 14 tick gain. Okay, so what happened was this trade was executed from around 12 to 1:30, 1 p.m., something like that. Okay, so last night, I actually noticed two things. This was yesterday. A potential trade here with an ascending triangle happened with a flat top, and it kind of spiked and spiked, and I did not. I should have set up a position for this because it didn't occur how I thought it was going to be, but that's besides the point. Long story short, it was a very strong push up, and really I waited for the market to kind of correct itself a little bit on the 15-minute time frame. It was late at night, so I didn't take any trades, but I was hoping to trade a short trade later on during the essentially when I woke up. But when I woke up, the market it had already made an extremely strong move down, and it really wasn't in a region where I would have looked to take the trade. That region being well, basically that region being around right here. Anyway, it had moved too quickly for me, so by the time I looked at this market, it was around 8:30 something. This candle had already formed, and I didn't feel comfortable taking a short trade, so I pretty much just kept watching the market and waited for it to bounce. The opportunities for it to bounce were basically around this level and around this level. So the market was still moving pretty strongly over here, but then I noticed it slowed down significantly over here. So even though it was a little bit risky, I decided to take a long trade here, and looking at previous price action, there were two levels I could have taken profit at. I could have taken profit at these levels up here, or I could have taken profit at around these levels. So initially I was gonna take the trade all the way up here, but I decided, you know what, I don't want to be too greedy, and set up my risk reward as just being outside of this this support, and I had the resistance again from earlier in the chart right here, and I took profits there. In fact, truthfully, this market will probably end up pushing back up, but I just wanted to be a little cautious with this and just take essentially there was a higher chance that the profits would that I would take a profit at this level. So